नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल में। नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे नए वीडियो में और आज का विषय है हाउ टू कैलकुलेट IRR, इंटरनल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, एट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू एंड प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स। इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू कैलकुलेट इन Excel all these three. First of all, let's look at what is the data given to us. Here is the initial investment, which is also termed as year 0 in financial management. So it is 5 lakhs which are invested. Then cash flow is given for 5 years, 1 2 3 4 5, and then here you can see cash flow is in first year you are getting 1 lakh, second year 2 lakh, then 1,80,000, then it's 1 lakh and 90,000 respectively. Then what is the project cost of capital? Project cost of capital is 8%. Okay, so first of all let's move on to calculate IRR. Just type IRR in the desired cell, start bracket and select all the values, close bracket. So this is the internal rate of return. In this case it is 11.2785, or we can say 11.23%. so this is a simple way, very simple way we can calculate IRR in. Next, in order to calculate present value of inflow, we should calculate first of all present value of inflows. So in order to that, go to NPV, start for bracket and take this value, the rate, comma, and apply all positive inflows, close. So this is the present value of all inflows at 8% rate of interest. Then what is the outflow? It is 5 lakhs. And what is the net present value? Net present value is the difference of present value of all inflows and outflow, initial outflow. So to calculate net present value, this minus this is our, it is giving sum. So let's remove it, go to format cell, we want in a number format, so it is changed there. And now calculate profitability index. Profitability index is equal to present value of all inflow divided by present value of outflow. So this divided by this, it is equal to 1.8. so this is the profitability index, right? This is the way how we can calculate NPV, IRR and profitability index in Excel. Now one interesting thing is that here, let's check out, because it is being said what, so in IRR it is said for IRR that IRR is the rate that equates the present value of outflow and present value of inflow. So let's check it out. We go for this cell, and here instead of taking 8%, let's take this value, check out what is the effect. Here it is. You can see now the cash out, you can see the present value of inflow is 5 lakhs, present value of outflow is 5 lakhs, and NPV is the 0 and profitability index is 1. So this is the way how we can calculate, we can check whether it is correct or not. So here is the original results. So this is the value. This is the way how we can calculate IRR, NPV and profitability index in Excel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. फिर मिलेंगे एक नए विषय के साथ. धन्यवाद.